Presenting the 2011 Toyota Corolla. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include auxiliary audio input, brake assist, rear bench seat, passenger vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AC, emergency trunk release, and pass-through rear seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.